Hi, welcome to Unprecedented Journey. I'm your host, Jeff Oppenheim, and I thank you for joining me today. Well, if you tuned into one of our recent episodes, I sat down with Lynn Janae. She's a nutritionist, an author, and a restaurateur, and she gave us a jam-packed episode filled with information about food, nutrition, balance, and health, even using herbs during this time of quarantine for improved health. I hope you watched that episode. If not, go back and click through. But I also speculated in that episode that probably you, like me, went out and did some binge shopping, and we ended up with quite a lot of food. Now, to avoid wasting that food and making the most of it, I decided I should do an episode just on that. Alibe Hamacher is going to be joining me in the studio, live this time, and she's going to help us address food prep for optimum resource, optimum value. I hope you'll join me for that. It's going to be a jam-packed episode, probably several mini episodes in fact, and it's going to be a resource-rich video to follow up as well. Join me on the next Unprecedented Journey. Until the next time, please click, comment, subscribe. I'm Jeff Oppenheim. Stay safe. Stay well.